Hey, good morning, guys. It is Thursday morning. We're going to pull orders for Wednesday for eBay. We have 6 orders going out today, and that's really it. We got a lot of listing to do today as well. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome to the channel. My name is Brad. My wife Angela and I run a full-time online business selling on eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. We also own a local bookstore. We're standing in the back of it right now, but let's go ahead and get started and we will pull those orders. Here we go. So we didn't sell as much yesterday, but our sales were still pretty good overall. I'll have to look at the total number, but I want to say it's a couple $100, maybe a little bit more, for the 6 orders that we got. All right, so this item we just listed, it's in box 11. This is a vintage Dymo 1570 printer, and I'm gonna have to put you down here because it's so heavy. All right, so let's see where it's at in here. We had just there it is right there. We just purchased this. This was $2.99 or $3.99 at Goodwill. And it's a deluxe typewriter kit. It had everything minus the spools of tape. And like I said, we probably paid no more than $4 for this, and it sold for $20.60, and the buyer paid shipping. This is one of the best bolos out there. This is in BS2D4, which is going to be right in front of my face. Yep, I see it already. This sold for $44.97. It's hard to tell what it is, right? And let's set it down right here. There's a Baby Yoda we're getting ready to list today that we just got in from the Disney store. So we'll see how that goes. That sold for $44.97, free shipping. It's a Franklin Speaking Merriam-Webster Elementary Children's Dictionary. And it's a Kid 1250 is the model number. Keep your eye out for those. We paid 99 cents for that, and it sold for just under $45. This next item was actually something we saw on Part-Time Pickers channel. Matt does a great job over there. And we saw these. These are Live Strong. They're Nike Live Strong Lance Armstrong style. The old yellow bracelet. We sold these for $19.98. It's BS1B1 right here. $19.98, free shipping. Those will go into a poly bag. We'll just ship those off. It'll probably cost about $3 to ship. But yeah, Matt's the one that turned us on to those. We paid $2.99 for 2 different sets. They were 2 different sizes, so pretty good flip there. The next item we just listed, I believe, yesterday as well, in box 10. Yeah, it was definitely yesterday. This is some ink right here. Guys, ink is always a great seller. This is an Epson 702 XL, and it actually wasn't expired. It doesn't expire until the May of 2021, and this sold for $45. Buyer paid shipping, and we paid a whole whopping $1.99 at the most for that at Goodwill. So this just sold a couple of minutes ago as I was actually getting to the store. My phone went off. It's in box 6, which is over here. It's right on top. This is an Aircast Cryo Cuff knee shoulder cold therapy. It's the replacement cooler only. My wife found this, and I'll show you what it looks like. $24.99, free ship. Oh goodness, I just about dropped it and broke it. $24.99, free shipping. It's pretty light, so it's going to go into a bigger box, so it is probably going to cost us about $10 to ship that out, but we paid maybe $1.99 for that, maybe, from Goodwill. So we're getting excited for garage sale season and estate sale season, like when it's warmer, because Goodwills are only so good for so long. Final item today, if you watched our video from the other day, I bought this for $5.99 at Goodwill, and it was actually kind of a fluke because I didn't even know what it was. I was just walking by and I saw it. It is this item right there. That is a CTI knee brace. It's a large left knee brace. They have a big sticker on there. It kind of tells you what leg they're for, because I really wasn't sure when I started. I was like, man, I don't know how I'm going to identify this. But this is made out of carbon fiber, super duper light, and you can see it's in really good shape. And we listed this yesterday as well. So we had 1, 2, 3 items ship out, it looks like, from what we listed yesterday. $5.99 for this. The buyer paid $120 and paid shipping on it. We had it listed for $149. That was like a stretch number. They offered us $120 and we took it like that. So a pretty cool find, something that you don't see every day. It was in the sporting good area, but it's a really nice knee brace. I mean, it's super light, and you can tell it's made really, really well out of that carbon steel stuff. So that's going to be it for this video today. Nice, sweet, short, on our way. It's Thursday. The last few days. Let's look though real quick. I want to see how much we made in those. I'm going to turn on my computer here, hopefully, if it will start up. It's kind of slow. But we had 15 sales on Tuesday, 14 sales on Wednesday, and 6 sales. We actually had more sales yesterday, but if they come in before noon, I will ship them that same day. And we had 3 or 4 items that did that went with the shipping, and then we had one last night that's on the floor. That's a telephone. This one right here. We don't want to show the addresses, but you can see that that's first class going out. That was a phone that we paid 69 cents for, and it sold for $14.99, I think, plus shipping. Okay, so I just looked on eBay, and it looks like we made $304.56 in total orders yesterday. I want to say the day before that, when we did the 14 orders, I think I actually marked it down. 14 orders, we did $450. So in the last couple of days, we made about $750 in sales. Of course, that's not counting your shipping, your fees, and taxes. But once you get through all that, you're probably looking about $400 or $500, at least that much, in profit. So not a bad middle of the week. It feels like March is starting to take off for everybody, which is great. And we're just looking forward to garage sale season. So comment below, guys, what's your favorite place to buy and thrift? Is it thrift stores? Is it garage sales, estate sales, warehouse sales? Where do you find your inventory? What's your favorite place? And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. We appreciate every like, subscribe, and view that we get. If you want to keep following us, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe to us so you can see our videos as they come out. We do a video usually every other day at a minimum, sometimes every single day. So thanks again for watching, and we will talk to you guys soon.